Hey guys, Tony here. Some of you guys asked me about APXT. I'll do a TA on it later, but just looking at the chart, it does look like it's retesting support back here at the 1497, 15-31 level. So I do think it's testing support. Honestly though, as of right now, I'd probably be buying calls on APXT maybe like a month out for like $15, $16. More than likely, these might actually hit. But yeah, as far as where I think this is actually going, it does look like it's just retesting support. I mean, this is bullish. It's creating, higher. It's a higher low right here, higher low. I do think it's going to create a higher low. I do think today is the creation of a new higher low because we closed, and it's right above the previous top here at 1497, which is previous resistance, but now it got created as support. So as of right now, I do think buying calls like a month out is a really good play. Maybe like a 90% chance that they're going to hit. And I think we're going to go past all-time highs. So buying calls right now, I think a good solid play would be buying maybe a month out calls for APXT, 15, 16, maybe $17. But I think on the next bull run up, we're probably going to cross 16.33, probably hit the $17.